Question: are you feeling overwhelmed and unprepared for the challenges of leading a successful team? Do not worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you 5 things that will set your team and yourself up for success. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader, and I do this with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. Let's get into it. Collaboration is at the core of any successful team, but what is often overlooked is the key factor that fuels this teamwork: psychological safety. This is like the magic ingredient that allows your team members to truly open up, to trust each other, and to feel empowered to take risks without fear of judgment or negative consequences. When there is psychological safety in the workplace, team members naturally feel more comfortable sharing their opinions, sharing their experiences and their expertise. This leads to more effective problem solving, innovation, and productivity. So whether you're a manager or a team member, take the initiative to create a safe, open, and collaborative environment. Then you want to make sure that you're actively listening and valuing everyone's opinion. Encourage open communication. Take ownership of your own mistakes, and always lead with empathy and kindness. Trust me, the power of psychological safety is truly worth the effort. Question: have you ever been part of a team where everyone thinks and acts the same way, like exactly? It can be a one-way ticket to a stale and uncreative environment. That's why embracing diversity is so vital in a team. It's so vital to the team's success. When we learn to appreciate and leverage differences in our colleagues, whether that's differences in race, gender, culture, or even just differing opinions, we're going to open ourselves up to new ideas, to innovative solutions. By valuing the unique perspectives and talents of everyone on the team, we get to create a team that is greater than the sum of all parts. Now, as a leader, communicating effectively with your team members, it's very important to foster a positive and productive work environment. However, words alone are not always enough to convey your message, and they're not enough to build strong relationships with your team. Nonverbal cues, such as your body language, your facial expressions, and your tone of voice, will play a critical role in effective communication. When harnessing these cues, you can create a deeper understanding of your intentions and build trust and respect with your team members. Whether it's through a friendly smile, a nod of approval, or an encouraging tone of voice, your nonverbal cues can inspire, motivate, and empower your team to perform at their very best. Also, in today's fast-paced work environment, it's more important than ever for you as a leader to master the art of delegation. Delegating tasks not only boosts productivity, but it also empowers your team members by giving them a sense of ownership, a sense of responsibility over their work. As a leader, as a manager, it's very easy to fall in the trap of trying to do everything yourself. But by learning how to delegate effectively, you will free up your time so that you can focus on other essential tasks. Plus, here's a bonus here. By entrusting your team members with important responsibilities, you're also building trust and you're fostering a positive work environment. Now, don't get me wrong here. I know firsthand that it can be very hard to know how to effectively delegate tasks without feeling like you're giving up too much control or you're not equipping your team members with the necessary resources. But if you continue to keep trying to do everything yourself, it's going to lead to burnout for you, and it's going to lead a lack of trust and empowerment for your team. So today it's time that you take control and unlock your team's fullest potential. Join my no-nonsense leadership bootcamp today. Link in the description. And as a special bonus, I'm also giving you free access to my delegation course so that you can learn the secrets, the strategies to effectively delegate and to propel you and your team to success. Now, I think it's fair to say we all want to grow into our careers. But what if I told you there's something that you can do to foster continuous learning and development within your team? It starts with creating a culture of growth. As a manager, your role is crucial in shaping the mindset of your team members. Promoting a growth mindset sets the stage for learning and innovation. And do not forget to offer learning opportunities to your team. It could be as simple as sending your team to a conference or inviting a guest speaker to come to a team meeting. Providing support for professional development shows your team members that you value their growth. I think these 5 strategies are kind of big topics, big responsibilities or big asks of you. But if you want to know 15 things that I wish somebody would have shared with me when I started, watch this video, because I swear, if somebody told me, I would have probably some hair at this point. Just a few fuzz. Anyway, I'll see you in that video. Ciao.